everyone, this is Joanna with Beijing Hongdi Corporation. Today I show you the Fundus camera FC-100. So I took them out from the case. This is the camera body. This is the charging base and the charger. And it has an extra battery and the cable. And this is the eyepiece. This is the Fundus camera FC-100. So before you use, you need to remove the cover here, and you need to add the eyepiece on the tube. And you can see this is the navigation button. You can move left, right, up and down. And this is the file record. So you can find the pictures you start here. And this is the menu button and brightness, and the zoom in, zoom out button. And you can see this is the micro SD slot. And here is the slot for micro USB. And this is the switch button. And here is the focus adjustment dial. Now I switched on the Fundus camera FC-100, so you can see it shows an image here. So I press OK button, then I can take a picture. Okay, so you can see the picture has been restored here. And also you can press this button to zoom in or zoom out. Okay, and you can press OK button again and it back to the mode to take picture. And also you can also step into the file restoring, so you can see the pictures which you have taken, and the menu key help you to delete this picture